Weight gain results from calorie intake. That's much more than daily energy expenditure. Being so forward-thinking, the human body stores any extra calories as fat mass within the adipocytes so that it can access them whenever needed. To reduce your weight, you must get rid of these fats. How? You can lose weight by simply reversing the tendency or by burning more calories than you consume. Here are some useful tips for successful weight loss and making it sustainable. Adopt new long-term eating habits. The first parameter on which you can act to get rid of your pounds is the composition of your daily meals. Focus on fresh fruits and vegetables. When someone is overweight, it's generally because of an unhealthy diet that doesn't have the appropriate amount of balance in it. If you want to maintain the weight loss you have achieved after participating in a weight loss program, you will need to make modifications to your eating habit that are designed to be permanent. The diet that's the healthiest and the one that is most conducive to weight loss gives pride of the place to fruits and vegetables, preferably fresh ones. This is because fruits and vegetables are known to be high in both antioxidants and fiber. On this front, there hasn't been a significant change yet. Not only are they low in calories, but they also contain nutritious fiber, which helps promote the feeling of satiety and, as a result, reduces the total amount of food that's consumed at each meal. Not only that, but they're also low in fat. Choose good fats and carbohydrates. It's really necessary to reduce the amount of sugary foods and fats that one consumes. But this shouldn't be done in just any old way. The two things that are the most detrimental to your metabolism are saturated fats, which are bad for your heart health, and refined sugars, which are typically stored by the body before they can be used for energy. Both of these things are bad for your overall health. Your metabolism will also slow down when you consume saturated fats. It's absolutely necessary to consume unsaturated fats, particularly omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, in order to maintain excellent health in both one's body and one's mind. Unsaturated fats can be found in foods such as fish, nuts, and vegetable oils. As a result of this, it's of the utmost importance to maintain a steady supply of a variety of oils, such as olive, rapeseed, or walnut oil, for example. If you want to maintain a consistent level of energy throughout the course of the day, it's important to ensure that you consume an adequate quantity of complex carbohydrates at each meal. Complex carbohydrates include foods such as pasta, rice, and whole grains. They will keep you from becoming fatigued at the end of the morning and will minimize the craving for snacking, both of which are often the first factors that contribute to the failure of a diet. They will also keep you from becoming hungry throughout the day. Maintain an adequate protein intake. Proteins are a source of amino acids, which are the building blocks of every structure in our body. Amino acids can be obtained through proteins. We wouldn't have any muscle mass at all if you didn't have them. As a result, it's imperative to make sure that one consumes an adequate amount of protein at all times. If you do eat meat, you can choose leaner cuts like chicken, turkey, rabbit, and so on. White fish is another choice available to you. You are allowed to eat various types of meat and fatty fish, but you should reserve everyday eating of these items for rare occasions exclusively. Do you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet that's based solely on plants? Vegetable proteins such as those in legumes such as peas, lentils, broad beans and beans, soya and its derivatives, seitan or whole grains should be your first choice. If you want to acquire the whole spectrum of essential and non-essential amino acids, which is what your body needs, you should get your amino acids from a number of different sources. Sport, your best ally for effective weight loss. You just need to increase your calorie expenditure to get your body to release the fat it has been holding in reserve. If your body needs more energy than it's getting from your food, it will have to burn stored fat. As a result, your weight will decrease and your silhouette will become more defined. Daily physical activity. Whether you enjoy sports or not, the WHO advises getting at least 10,000 steps in per day or engaging in any physical exercise for at least 30 minutes. Here, the focus is not on performance but rather on movement, such as walking or riding a bicycle to work or choosing the stairs over the elevator. Sports that burn calories. For speedy and long-lasting weight loss, cardio exercises like cycling, elliptical training, running, rowing machines, swimming, etc. are usually recommended. If you practice them consistently over time, you will see results. They work best when done at a moderate effort for 45 minutes, at least 3 times a week. Exercise alone is not the only effective way to lose weight though. Although it's less popular, including strength training into your diet has many benefits. It burns less calories per hour than an aerobic sport. But the fat is burned for much longer after the exercise is ceased. Muscle growth is possible with weight training as well. However, since muscle burns significantly more calories at rest than fat does, it aids in weight loss, even when you are not doing anything. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a wonderful way to lose weight when you only have a short amount of time to devote to your sporting activity. It's ideal to combine cardio and strength training, regardless of the type or intensity of training. Can you get localized weight loss? When you want to reduce weight, you don't necessarily want to do it everywhere. Typically, women want to keep their breasts while losing weight from their saddlebags, belly, or even thighs. It would be great if there was a choice of which anatomical region to slim down. However, this is not practical. On the other hand, by changing the volumes of the places you want to lose weight in through exercise, you may make sure that you maintain a negative energy balance to reduce body fat while toning and firming them. A few tips for effective weight loss. What to do. In order to stay motivated and be successful, it's important to set realistic and specific goals for your weight loss. Plan your workout to fit into your daily schedule. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, and flush out toxins produced by burning body fat. Limit alcohol consumption because it's high in calories. Share your successes and failures with those around you to keep spirits up, and always have fresh food on hand. Lack of sleep can interfere with weight loss. What to avoid for long-lasting results. Frustration rather than fat is what will prevent you from losing weight. Even while it could be appealing, abruptly stopping eating items high in calories might be detrimental to your mood. The human body is also built for survival. When starving, it rushes to store twice as many calories as usual, and it does the same when a satisfying meal is offered. Meals shouldn't be skipped because of this. In the medium or long term, you face the danger of paying dearly for it. This catching up phenomena also plays a role in the yo-yo effect that follows several diets. Therefore, maintaining your health and feeling good about yourself is of the utmost importance. What do you think of our video? Let me know it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.